One of the most common questions I get from people who are building with Claude Code is, how do I actually make this a live website? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a beautiful 3D website from a single Claude skill, how to store your code on GitHub, and how to push your site live using Vercel in just a couple of minutes. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Duncan Rogoff. I'm a former art director for brands like Apple, PlayStation, and Nissan, and I now run one of the top communities for learning Claude Code and building income. So focus in, close all your open tabs, and let's build. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to come into Claude Code inside of the desktop app, and we need a website that we're going to deploy. So I'll just come in here. I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop because you need to be in a new folder to make this work. And I will just call this Weenie Tumblr. Why am I calling this Weenie Tumblr? So for those of you who don't know, I have a miniature dachshund. His name is Larry, and I think it's just fun to use stuff like this. So all I'm going to do is first, I'm just going to take a screenshot of this product here, and we'll use it as the basis of our website. And I have the screenshot, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it inside of the folder that we just created. So inside of Claude Code, I just want to build out a site really quickly, and I already have a skill to build high quality sites pretty much on autopilot. If you want to get access to it already built for you, just check the link in the description. So I just want to build a site really quickly so we have something to deploy. Please use the photo inside of the folder as the reference photo for the product, and here's some more information. And then I'm just going to go ahead and copy the information on the site, and I'm just going to give this to Claude, and I'll come back in here and copy these product details as well. There are really two simple platforms you need to make your website live. The first is GitHub, and basically every developer in the world uses this. Individual, big company, doesn't matter. But you can think of GitHub as the place to store your code. So it's basically like Google Drive just for code. It's going to track every change you make, so you can undo anything, you can update code. It's just a place to hold everything. It also lets you share and collaborate on code with others. So if you have team members, you can invite them here. The other platform is called Vercel, and this is basically what's going to take your code from GitHub and put it on the internet as a live website. And what's cool about Vercel is that anytime you save or update your code on GitHub, it's going to automatically update your live website without you having to do anything. It's also going to handle all of the technical hosting stuff so you don't have to. And so in just a couple of minutes, the site is live. We have this really cool scrolling animation. We have animated text. We have beautiful imagery. Look at these close-up details. This is absolutely beautiful. But what do we want to do if we actually want to make this site live? Well, you can see here that Claude Code actually built out all of these code files inside of the folder. And so what we need to do now is we need to take all of this and we need to put it on GitHub. And then from there, we'll connect GitHub to Vercel so that these talk to each other. You could do this manually, but why do it manually when we can just have Claude do it? So what we need to do now is we actually need to connect the Claude Code desktop app to GitHub. What's great is that you only have to do this once and you'll never have to do it again. So this is the installation guide for GitHub. You can find it at this link here. And I know this might look confusing, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it. So this is the section we're interested in here. This is the section where we can install GitHub in the desktop app. And the most important thing right here is just this big block of code. And really, there's only one other thing you need. It's something called your GitHub personal access token. You can just think of it like your key so that Claude can talk to GitHub. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight this entire section and give it to Claude Code. Copy this, come back over here and paste this in. Now, while that's thinking, all we need to do is get our access token from GitHub. So come into GitHub, come into your profile photos, go into settings, come all the way down to the bottom to these developer settings. And what you want here is a personal access token. And these are called fine-grained tokens. This gives you access to everything on GitHub. So I will click generate a new token. What you're going to need to do is verify this with your email address or passkey or whatever. You're used to two-factor authentication at this point, although it'll probably be the death of me. So I verified my account and I'll just go ahead and name this Claude Code, and you don't even need a description. You can set an expiration date if you're concerned about security, or you can also set this to never expire. I'll just set this to 7 days for now. And the easiest way to do this is just give this access to all repositories, so that way we don't have to make one from scratch. And I'm going to come in here and go to add permissions. And what I want access to is contents, pull requests, metadata is always selected, commit statuses is good, and any issues. And I really think that's it. Honestly, you can probably get away with just adding contents. I'll go ahead and click generate token. You don't want to give this token to anyone, but make sure you copy it. So inside of Claude Code, it's actually created everything we need to connect up to GitHub. The only thing that's missing is that PAT token. There are really two options here. You can either paste your token into Claude if you're a little bit less concerned about security. If you want to do this manually, it's super easy. You just come up here, go into your user account settings, come down into developer and you can click edit config and it opens right to the configuration file that we need to edit. So I'll open this up in text edit. And we can see here that this just says GitHub personal access token. And right here is where you paste your PAT token that you just generated. And so once you do that, paste it in and then click save. And then you can close this down. You don't need to look at this again. From there, you will need to restart Claude Code to get access to it. So I'm going to do that and then I'm just going to come right back. Cool, so I'm back and you can see that if we come back into those developer settings over here, we now actually have GitHub all linked up and ready to go. And so now I can tell Claude Code to push this code to GitHub and create a new repository for me. Can you push our Weenie Tumblr site to a new GitHub repository for me? Make it private. So this took about a minute to push all of our code for us. And if we come back into GitHub, we have a brand new Weenie Tumblr repository all ready to go. We can open this up and you can see we have all of the code all right here ready for us, already built. Pretty cool. And so now it is super, super easy to connect this up to Vercel. So inside of your Vercel dashboard, you're just going to create an account with a username or password or your Google email. It doesn't really matter. I recommend creating with the same email address that you're using for GitHub, but all you have to do is go to add new project. So if you've never connected Vercel up to GitHub before, there'll be an option for you here to do so. You literally just have to allow Vercel access. It should take you just a couple of seconds. And as soon as you do that, you should see all of your repositories pop up here. And so all I'm going to do is click import right here. Literally don't need to change any other settings here. I can click deploy and in just a few seconds, we will have a live website all ready to go. Check it out. Congratulations. You just deployed a new project. I can click this to open it up and we have our site live on the internet. I can give anyone this link. They have access to a publicly available URL. This is all beautiful. It all looks good. Super, super easy. If you want to get access to the skill I use to build this website, just check the link in the description. If you want to see how I built my own agentic OS using Claude Code, check out this video right here. I'll see you over there.